All right, so the part of the worksheet about integration is going to be a lot of just using the antiderivatives that we've just learned for trigonometric functions, but also a lot of u substitution. So let's skip over to problem B, and we're looking at e to the power something times cosine something. And the only function that we know how to integrate that this sort of reminds me of is e to the power u du, right? So so that's kind of what this function is making me think of, but also I'm seeing that sine x over there, right? And I see that its derivative is I know that its derivative is cosine x. So substituting u equals sine x seems promising to me, just because it's going to make the function look like this guy who I know how to integrate, and the derivative of that u, of the derivative of sine x, is kind of sitting there in the integral. So that looks promising. So let's go ahead and do that u sub. First step, make the substitution. Second step, du. Third step, solve for dx. Okay, so dx is 1 over cosine x du. Let's go back to our integral and substitute that in. So the sine x becomes u, the cosine x stays as it is, and then the dx becomes 1 over cosine x du. Alright, so cancelling out, we're left with e to the u du. We know how to integrate that, but remember we have to go back to x's, and that's where we end. That's where we'd end the problem.